MLight has sent these binoculars for my review, and these things are really not the normal binoculars that I'm used to. They are so cool. There's a lot of features, and I can't wait to share all of them with you. First off, the way they feel, super grippy. So as you can tell, you can see that rubber, very grippy. So it's not going to, this does not want to like slip and slide, but more importantly, it really is a great feeling around your hands. Look at that feel. Perfect size. Speaking of size, love the fact that 22 millimeter on the eye opening right here, and the glass is 50 millimeters. And speaking of the glass, and I'll show you in just a second, it's anti-fog, it's waterproof, it is super tack sharp, which is extremely important, obviously, because you're gonna go so far out. And so far, 1,000 yards out, and I was actually playing with this in on our view here, and I'm watching people by the ocean all the way over there, which is really cool, and you can actually discern the details and see the really nice shapes and everything in high resolution detail. So let's look at what it is. The other thing that I love is this lens caps that are actually attached. When's the last time you had a lens cap and basically just never had it after the first day? It happened to me all the time. Now, the lens cap is right here attached. I can use it and then put it back on, and I know my glass is going to be protected. And they also provide you with lens caps. They don't attach, but these smaller ones fit perfectly in that pouch where I'm going to talk to you in just a second about. So there you go. You got that nice wide frame basically for your eyes to fit perfectly in, and that big glass. And speaking of glass, this is a multi-coated glass, so you're going to get super sharp sharp definition with it, obviously. Now, the other thing that I love is we all know that binoculars will go up and down just like that, so side to side, because depending on the width of our eyes, right? So very easy to kind of just adjust. And then once I'm adjusted, I've got two things that I can do. I've got the roller right here to focus, and I've got the roller on here, and look at that, the roller will actually play with both of them, so that's the zoom feature right here. So I've got the focus, and I've got the zoom, and it zooms, of course, both at the same time. 1,000 yards is no joke. I literally am seeing right, and it's the really cool thing with this is because everything is so compact, but yet big. It's really a dichotomy, I get it, but it's easy to reach all the knobs, and I like that. I don't have to move around the binoculars. Really just easy to move the knobs with my thumb right here, and my fingers are right at the top, and that's a really cool thing to have. And yeah, the only thing with binoculars that I would say, and because they're so powerful, is as they get so much closer, you need to be very stable. And what I usually do is I kind of prop myself up on the table like this. I mean, obviously I don't have a tripod, but I prop myself on the table, and then I am extremely stable, which is the good thing, because I'm not that stable like that. And then, yes, of course, you are getting a really nice pouch where everything will fit, and I mean everything. They do provide you with a nice strap, so of course the strap will attach, and if you can have it around, just like a camera strap around your neck, and then you can go bird watching, do whatever you have to do. They even provide a little chamois, so just make sure that you kind of like chamois it around the lens, and then when you're ready, and check this out, dust proof. Look at that little nice seal. I'm just gonna go like that, and it's perfectly sealed back there. Love that part. Yeah, the fact that they are so easy to use right out of the bag, really quick to adjust to any type of person that wants to look at it, and the fact that they are very grippy, I like that. Waterproof, if I have not mentioned that, they're IP67, so waterproof is extremely important, not just the lens, anti-fog and waterproof, but the entire casing, so you don't have a problem if you're in the woods bird watching and it starts to, you know, rain a little bit, you don't have to hide away, you continue bird watching as you will. So yeah, very impressed by MLight. These are great.